Yeah, still Black Friday, day after Thanksgiving. I got set up to roll my cigs. I've been smoking for about 40 years, and up until this year, it was always factory made cigarettes. And I got tired of paying $80 a carton for 10 packs. That's $8 a pack. I did a little bit of research on good old YouTube and saw people rolling their own. I use a Powermatic 2 Plus cigarette machine, and I went through, this is my fourth test tobacco, and it's called a pipe tobacco, but it's non-flavored. It's OHM natural. It's 100% natural tobacco. And if you're smoking factory cigarettes and curious about what the factories are doing, take a razor blade and cut the paper and open one up, spread out the tobacco. You're going to find a whole bunch of little perfectly square pieces. They're about 3/32 square. What that is nicotine soaked paper that is ground up to adjust the nicotine content on factory cigarettes. Boost it. And there's a warning out now that they're putting formaldehyde into the tobacco they use for factory cigarettes. And I'm sure there's a whole bunch of other chemicals. Difference in smoke. On my OHM natural with zero flavoring, there's no harshness whatsoever. And on the factory cigarettes, I was brand loyal, and I'd get a carton and they were extremely harsh. Then the next carton would not be extremely harsh. The more nicotine soaked paper they mix with the tobacco, the harsher the quality of the smoke. It's where you get your sore throat, and it just doesn't feel good. On my OHM natural, zero sore throat ever. And it's straight tobacco. Again, no flavoring, no formaldehyde, no other added chemicals, and no nicotine soaked paper. And the cheaper the factory cigarette, the more nicotine soaked paper they blend in. Is smoking bad for you? Yeah. I don't drink. I don't chase loose women. I don't gamble. I'm 63 years old. Closer to 64 than 63. I have a vice, and that is smoking my cigarettes. I also drink a hell of a lot of coffee, but that's a whole different story. And I've had so many damn chest x-rays, I can't even begin to recall how many chest x-rays I've had. My lungs are fine. They're clear as a damn bell. I don't have emphysema. I'm not short of breath. I don't have asthma. So I don't know what to tell you. If you think cigarette smoking is bad, then by all means quit. For me, I have not seen a drastic adverse effect. Now, when my level of pain is way up there, smoking a cigarette either distracts me from the pain or slightly relieves the pain. So I don't know what to tell you. Rolling cigarettes, I've got, again, I haven't been up here for a while. I've got 6 packs to roll. If I hurry, it's not even 10 minutes a pack. That's 20 cigarettes. The cost, it's minimal. I use Zen king size filtered tubes. Get those off of Amazon. They're been a while since I got some. They're about 2 cents a piece. If you prefer menthol flavored cigarettes, they have menthol tubes as well. That's where the flavoring kicks in, not the tobacco. It's in the filter tube. That's where you get your menthol flavor. You can also get 100 size versus king size. I never have liked smoking 100 size cigarettes. It doesn't feel right to me. The machine to roll the cigarettes, I try to set you up to see how easy it is, but it's just me, and I'm using an old Canon digital camera, and I don't have a tripod. So there's no good way for me to set you up so you can watch me roll cigarettes. There's seriously nothing to it. The little baking tray seriously cuts down on the mess. And that little plastic storage container, when it's level full, that's enough for just over 2 packs of cigarettes. My little metal tray for the empty tubes, that's pretty handy. It keeps the tubes from flopping around all over the dang place. Get them one at a time out of the box is very difficult. The box is packed tight when it's full. I don't know. Tobacco I get from Windy City Cigar in Illinois. They got a website. They also sell the machine. I bought my machine off of Amazon. The tobacco, again, I'm getting a count this time, but I think I can get 30 packs out of 1 pound, and 1 pound of tobacco is $13.85. This last shipment I brought in 5 pounds to combine some shipping. 5 pounds with shipping was $86.24. So it's very, very cost efficient. I'm saving the federal tax, the state tax, and at least 2 levels of markup. The factory markup, actually 3 levels. The factory markup, the distributor markup, and the final retail markup. Here locally, 1 pound of tobacco for roll your own, they were getting $39 a pound, which is insane. That is insane. And then I found Windy City Cigar, super, super nice people. 0 issues. If you're on hold for a long time, they'll call you back. I said, well, damn, thank you. Good people. Super nice. And they got a YouTube channel too. But anyway, let me get back to my production work. That's all for this one. Thank you.